Morning, Johnny. How are you?
Morning, afternoon. I'm
We've
good.
got to
I'm
stop
good,
doing
thank you.
that.
What's that?
We've got
A
to stop
morning and
saying that.
afternoon. Yeah, no, we've got to.
It's
I
so
don't know what do we
boring.
do? Yeah,
Okay.
whatever.
Hi, Johnny. Let's try that again.
Hi.
Okay.
Right.
Right.
Okay.
I'm pressing start. Here we go.
Okay. All right. 5 minutes. All right.
Yeah.
So, what we have here, we've been doing quite a lot more work on service parts. You know, that's a kind of a continuing theme. There's a lot going on that way. So I've got a couple of service items here. I mean, this is that is actually for the Bentayga, as is this. But there's lots of different engines on the Bentayga. There was the 6 litre W12, there was the V8 4 litre petrol, and also a 4 litre diesel, and also a 2.9 litre hybrid. So this one here, that's the one for the 4 litre engine and the 2.9 litre hybrid. So
Okay.
that's that one there.
And what
And
is
it's an air filter. Did I not say that?
it? No. I just thought
Oh,
it was a
so
nice plastic
professional.
box to put your umbrella in.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. No. Yes, it could be actually. Yeah, you'd have under small for a small umbrella here. So yeah, so that is so that's the two. We also do the one for the diesel. Haven't got that here, but same principle, very similar to that, but slightly different. You need two of those on the car. I think you need two of those as well. Just so we're getting quite modern here. For once, this is actually a pollen filter. This is one for right-hand drive cars, and that's for actually for the brand new Continental GTs. The new Continental GT. So
Okay.
that was brought out from 2018. You had the Continental convertible, new Continental convertible was brought out in 2019. Then you've got the new Flying Spur brought out in 2020. All of those are current models. So we're working right up to the present day.
Okay. And I know
Um,
I'm not going to ask you for the part numbers for these because they're really horrible numbers, aren't they?
yeah, no, no, I'm not going to give you the part. I'll give you
No.
the links though later.
Yeah. Perfect.
No one understands the part numbers,
No.
not even Volkswagen.
When did
Um,
when did the part numbers start going to the kind of the three W's and the really
well,
complicated?
well, it was actually I tell a lie that there are some patterns. So the first part of the part number generally denotes the model. 36A is Bentayga,
Okay.
3W tends to be early GT. Then you've got, for example, this is a 97 number, so that's when they started moving to kind of Porsche kind of platform.
That's
So
quite interesting because I
that,
love the old numbers. You remember the E numbers
well, yeah, but
and
they
the
even
RH?
those, yeah, RH. Well, that means it's a kit usually built in house in Bentley. So that's what an RH means. A
Okay.
UE is usually engine for the old
Okay.
cars. UB is usually body. So
Got it.
there is actually something going on there.
Okay.
So
Sorry
yeah,
to distract you. I
that's all
digress.
right. So talking about Porsche kind of platform, this is something we're working on now as a turbo replacement kit.
That
So
looks
this
really complicated.
It's a big old beast, and the bad news is there's two of them. So, so what you this is on the 4 litre petrol V8. So GTs from 2012 through to 2017, they used this turbo. There's a right hand and a left hand. The left hand's the one that's prone to go. That tends to be the one that goes most often. There is an upgrade kit with that, which is there to prevent it happening again because there's a bit of a vulnerability. And usually, because you're in there and it's a whole lot of labour, you do the right hand one at the same time.
Okay.
Don't have to,
So
but kind of makes
you
sense.
did you just manufacture the left one because that's the one that's needed?
Well, manufactured nothing. No, we're doing both because it's normally. I think the principle here is to what we're actually working on is to build together a kit
Hmm.
which you can just go, right, we've got a problem, one button, buy the kit, get it in the car, swallow hard, drive on.
Okay. And
It's
how long till that's available then? You say you're working.
it should be a fortnight or so.
Okay.
That's due imminently. These are stock. There's a whole lot of stuff coming through the door which we're working on. So yeah, it's all
Right.
happening.
Okay.
So
Well,
yeah, so
well, you haven't even finished yet. Got anything
oh
else
really?
to
Oh, oh well, what do you want me to say now? I'll do a song. No, I can't do a song. But my guitar teacher told me I have a voice like a goat.
Well, do you have any
Everything
songs
failed.
about Rolls-Royce or Bentley that you can make up on the spot for
No, 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 no. As I said, voice like a goat.
us? Well, you've got 16 seconds to. Okay. Well, actually, one question I have for you. Anything we're working on at the moment for the older cars?
Yes, I was nearly close. There's a kit for the. I've just upgraded the kit we do for the universal joint on the steering linkage on the shadows. That's our alarm, isn't it? Yeah, we're done. So
Okay,
that is
finish what you're
that.
saying.
Well, that should be released next week. So I'll show that and do a little bit of a talk about that because there's vague and wondery steering is a bit of an issue with the shadows, and I can sort of go into why that is and what you can do to fix that. And, well, so that'll be a good
Great.
place to go there, and that'll be a bit older as well. All stuff is a bit modern.
But we haven't forgotten about the older cars,
Oh
promise.
God, no, 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 no! I've got tons of stuff coming through for those, but yeah, not enough hours in the day.
Okay, well, thank you, Johnny.
All
Have a
right,
lovely
darling.
weekend.
All right,
Okay,
you
see you next week.
take
Bye.
care. Bye, bye.